Are you looking for the perfect gift for your child this year? Well, look no further. I've got it right here, the brand new Zaky gift box. And today, we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Are you ready? Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got this cool aeroplane. You can sling it away and it flies. Woo! How cool is that? We got the Kazwa Mask, Zaky Mask. We got the Zaky Frisbee to keep you active and you can play in the park or on the beach this summer. We got these, I really love these, Snap-Bands. You got Zaky Kazwa. And everyone's favorite toy, a yo-yo. We got the Zaky Yoyo here. What else do we have here? Oh, we got the favorite Zaky plush toy keyring and a Zaky mini handball. Cool. We got another punch balloon. And this can blow up around this big. And then you can punch it like this. Lots of fun. We got the Zaky stickers, the 3D. You can see Zaky's friends, Bilal, Dawood, Moe, Laith and Layla, and all the Zaky and Friends team. And the last one we got is the Zaky and Kazwa puzzle. All these amazing Zaky and Friends toys in this one Zaky gift box. Order yours today.